Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I am technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. In this lecture video, I am going to give a simple C program for leap year in C. So also I'll be explaining how to calculate the leap years with the general formulas, and then I will be explaining with the programs in C. Okay. So the basic condition for the leap year is it should be the modulus of the value should be equal to 0. Okay, say like I take 2004. Okay, so this 4, if you are dividing with the 4, okay, if you are dividing this value with the 4, then 5 it's 20. Okay, 0 and then 0 and then 4, so 1 4 it's 0. Okay, so the result should be equal to 0 when any values, whatever the number you are giving, okay, that modulus value should be equal to 0. Okay, so this is one more one condition, and the one more condition is whatever the value is there, if you are dividing with the 100, you should not get the value is 0. Okay, say like you may assume that 2000 is a leap year. Okay, so you can calculate with the 100. If you are dividing with that, then you will get the result as 0. Okay, so you may think that whatever the values is divided by 100 also equal to leap year, but the scenario differs. If the year is 1700, then these type of years are not basically leap year. Okay, so whatever it's divided by 400, okay, those are the years are leap years, but whatever divided by 100, that value shouldn't be equal to 100. Okay, so the basic conditions for the leap year is the modulus by 4 should be equal to 100, but in case of an if you are dividing with the modulus of 100, okay, that value shouldn't be equal to 0. Okay, so this is one conditions. Or okay, or is like an additional value, or if you are saying that is divided by 400, okay, that value modulus, if you are getting the result as 0, then you can say that this is a leap year. Okay, so this is one condition and this is one more conditions. So in either of the conditions, if you are getting the value as a 1 successful as a boolean function, then you can say that that year is a leap year. Okay, so now let us see the simple C program for the leap year. So for leap year, let us get the value from the user. User can provide the year. Okay, and we're going to tell whether this whatever the user has entered, right, that year is leap year or not. So to do that, we can get the values from the user with the scanf function. Okay, so scanf is used to read the values whatever user has provided. So percentage d and comma ampersand year. Okay, so we can get the values from the user, and what we okay, now next we write the if else conditions. Okay, using if else condition, let us find whether the entered values is leap year or not. Okay, so the first the year is modulus of value that if it is equal to 0. Okay, so this is one conditions, and the one more condition is that year whatever the user has entered, that shouldn't be equal to okay, that modulus of with 100 should not be equal to 0. Okay, so this is one conditions. Or there is one more condition that whatever the user has entered, right, the same thing with 100 instead of 100, you can say that if it is a modulus of 400, if it is equal to 0, then you can say that year is a leap year. Okay, so I am entering this value. So what if this condition is true, then you can say that the year is leap year. Okay, so for that, let us print the value. So printf, using printf, we can say that the year, okay, the year whatever user has entered is leap year. Okay, so percentage d basically I used for integer type. So we have this percentage d value will be getting from this this variable. Okay, so if this condition is failed, okay, so whatever the conditions we have entered, if it is failed, then we can say that the entire year is a not leap year. Okay, so we can copy the same thing, and then I am printing this here. Only I am changing that the year whatever the year is entered is not a leap year. Okay, so now let me save the program, and I'm going to execute this. Okay, so here let me first enter the leap year. So 2000 is a leap year, so I'm entering it. So the year 2000 is a leap year. Okay, in case if you're using 1700, okay, so those years are not as actually leap year. So the year 1700 is not a leap year. Okay. So similarly, our current year is 2020. So 2020 is leap year. I'm entering. Okay. So 2020 is a leap year. In case if you want to find for next year, it's 2021. Yes. So those are not leap year. So the year 2021 is not a leap year. Okay. So this is how you check whether the year is a leap year or not. So if you guys have any doubt in this C program, please post it in the comment section. Okay. So thank you all for watching this lecture video.